So I'm here tonight at Dofa Winery in Temecula, California. We've got two amazing things going on. We just launched today the 2022 refreshed Himalayan. We have the tripper navigation, the top rack, the improved seat for longer rides, and the larger windscreen. And then even more above that, we are premiering the film that we did for the Epic Ride Series Alaska. So we're here. Hopefully everyone enjoys it. The digital premiere will go on afterwards. So if you're not here, able to make it, you will be able to check it out on our YouTube channel. The launch of the 2022 refreshed Himalayan. We've got the upgraded seat. We've added some extra foam for that comfort in riding. We've made the windscreen a little bit larger, so it's going to cover the new tripper navigation. It's just a little bit wider. It's not taller, like everyone keeps asking. The tripper navigation was debuted with the Meteor a couple months ago, but we have added it to here. It is run by Google Apps and our own RE app. We've increased the weight capacity on the top rack and also shortened it a little. And for you tall riders out there, we've made the front rack 90 millimeters shorter, so your knees will no longer hit the front.